What's up, YouTube? My YouTube family, people that like watching. I don't know how to start this video, which seems like happens more often, but yet I still record it. I enjoy making videos. But the thing is, if nobody watches them, what's the point? So obviously you guys have noticed I don't upload as much. I'm not trying to sound negative or anything, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm striving for success. So obviously there's things I gotta change to do a little bit different. Better titles, better thumbnails. It's time to step up that game, guys. Just because I have 825 at the time of this recording doesn't mean anything unless people watch. So yeah, I really got nothing special, but today I'm hoping there's stuff coming in the mail that I've been waiting for, that I've been talking about a little while. Stickers and some other stuff, hopefully. I'm not exactly sure because I was told there was some extras put in there. But yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you guys, what do you guys think about the Mustang? Is it rice or nice? But yeah, rice or nice on the Mustang. It's pretty sweet. I mean, we got them yellow stickers on the side and nobody else does it, so I gave it a shot because I wanted people to, if they looked at it like, oh, why is their car so loud? Well, there's the MagnaFlow on there, and that's about all it can be, is loud and look halfway decent. But it actually saves me a lot of gas when I'm driving it because I don't want to hear it all the time, so I keep my foot out of it, and it's actually, I think, improved gas mileage quite a bit. So yeah, honestly today, guys, it's probably gonna be kind of winging. Hopefully I can get you to come back and watch some more videos, keep you guys interacting with what I do. Obviously everything we've it's kind of been done by everybody else, but you know what, I'm still having fun. But we're probably going to start moving on to like a little more automotive stuff. Obviously we're going to get the dirt bike material in there. Man, I don't get me wrong, guys, I asked my son, what do you want to do with this? He's like, I am not selling it. So honestly, this bike, even after he outgrows it, it might still be here. I don't know. Oh, this is kind of just spur of the moment, guys. Somebody else out there that may watch our channel that has a YouTube channel, would you be interested in, where is it, restoring the original SYX? No charge, frame, and I'll give you the wheels. Everything else is up to you. I got the plastics too. I'm not going to pay for any shipping or anything like that. If you guys, whoever watches this channel and has the desire to do it, hit me up. Give me a let me know in the comments first, and we'll exchange emails and we'll go from there. But there's an opportunity for you. The giveaway's still gonna happen eventually. If we can get those watch hours to go back up, guys, we need to have that. Otherwise, I mean, it's not that I don't want to give back. That's what it is. I don't want to just be directly a giveaway channel. It's not what we're about. We like milestone giveaways. We hit a certain milestone, we like, you know, to share it with you guys, because without you guys, obviously there's no milestone. So hit that like button, subscribe, share some of our older videos and our newer videos. Help us out, because as you've noticed, anybody that's been around for a while, the prizes have gotten a little better with time, and we have not made a penny on this. This is not what it's about. But like I've said in past videos, someday we would like it to be something, and someday we're gonna have a place where anybody that enjoys what we do, we're gonna have a place where you can come, test out your stuff, have a good time, hang out with your family, camp, whatever. There is plans. It's just we're gonna take your time. We're doing this gradually because there's a lot of channels out there just blow up really quick. Good for them. It's awesome. But me and the way my brain works, sometimes slower is just a little better. Don't get me wrong, I love speed when it comes to certain things, but pacing yourself is better. Because if it all comes at me at once, I'm probably just gonna like panic, not knowing what to do, and lose control. But anyways, enough talking. we'll see you guys in a little bit and see what else I can come up with. But thank you, and let me vent after 7 days of no videos. Stay on the grind, guys. Stay on the grind. Well, thanks for watching that first clip. Yeah, like I was saying, I gotta wait for some stuff to get in here. The trike, I don't care if you guys watched it or not, I'm still gonna build it. I just gotta get some more materials because that frame is kind of cheap. And I did look at a few other ideas out there, and which was probably for the better because I was already overthinking a lot of things. It's just obviously bracing right, brakes, motor, and making sure it functions and it's safe. So yeah, this is all just junky pieces down here. I'll try and maybe I'll use that and I don't know. I should be able to make it work. This thing, I don't know. My son Leland doesn't give a flying anything about it. He really doesn't care. He loves his PlayStation, which I'm glad I got it for him, but as soon as he gets home, I mean, a lot of it's up to me. He just wants to play right away, which is fine. Hopefully one day that's, you know, his thing, then he can make money on it if that's what he wants to do. But yeah, I'm going to wait on those things in the mail, and we'll do a little unveil and see how the stickers come out. And hopefully there's some other little surprises in there. But I really appreciate you guys. LD Moto, we'll see you in a bit. What's up, guys? LD Moto back with you. I want to start off by saying thank you to my sister, and yeah, if you guys need something, maybe she'll do it for you if you guys need some stickers done. But there we go. I'm gonna have to flip it around. Yeah, guys, we got the stickers. They are available. There's a link in our community post. You just have to go into the comment section. It's through Marketplace. Message me, and we're gonna try and get them out once a week. $1 a piece is an entry to get the 50cc motor. I was gonna go a little less, but my wife kind of reminded me it's gonna cost money to mail these out, and yeah, so $1 is the best I could do. And yes, thank you guys. Anybody that wants to get in on the LD Moto stickers and our milestone giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers. When we do, we just need you guys to go in and check out some of those older videos. If you would, just kind of help us out, share some of our stuff, give us some feedback. In another community post, I don't know if you guys can look at it, hopefully, there's a kind of a voting section on kind of some of the stuff that we can be working on. The trike, nobody was really interested in it. I'm still going to do it, but I just need to get it some better material. But yeah, the stickers are available. It happened. So, and I think they look pretty darn good. They're not huge. And as we do this, we can probably do like a vinyl stickers sometime, but hey, you got to start somewhere. But yeah, you got to start somewhere. Yes, we still have the Earth Dog. It's one of the things that I was kind of looking towards to get you guys to vote on. But yeah, we're gonna make this happen, guys. We still got a little ways to go. As we're recording right now, 8:25, 8:26, something like that. But yeah, we gotta get there. But give us some time. I hope you guys like the stickers. We really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. And yeah, we're just moving forward. Because yeah, I've been working on a lot of stuff. And if you guys are interested about the yard, the grass, it's coming back. We just had a little bit of cold weather the past few days. But it's enough talking. LD Motor Performance. And we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget, get your stickers in for a chance to get in on the giveaway motor. Yeah, every dollar spent is a chance to win. Thank you guys, really means a lot, and we'll see you next time.